Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi repeater USB. These small devices are incredible for extending your wireless network's reach, especially in areas with weak signals or dead spots. They simply plug into a USB port, creating a stronger and more reliable internet connection throughout your home or office. It is an easy and cost-effective way to boost your Wi-Fi coverage significantly, ensuring a smoother online experience for all your devices. First, find a suitable USB power source, such as a laptop port, a desktop computer, or even a wall adapter if available. Simply insert the USB repeater into this port to power it on. For the best results, place your repeater in an area roughly halfway between your existing Wi-Fi router and the zone where you need improved coverage. This placement helps maximize its signal amplification and ensures broader connectivity. Once powered on, open a web browser on a computer or smartphone connected to the repeater's temporary network. You will typically navigate to a specific IP address, like 192.168.0.1, to access its setup page. From there, select your existing Wi-Fi network from the list and enter its password. Remember to set a unique, strong password for your newly extended network to maintain security. After configuration, test your internet speed and connectivity in the areas that previously had weak signals. If you experience any issues, try repositioning the repeater slightly, perhaps a few inches, to find a stronger connection point. Ensure all power connections are secure and that the repeater is not obstructed by large objects. Small adjustments can often yield significant improvements in your overall Wi-Fi performance, giving you consistent internet access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.